Hello everyone, this is Gargi Rane from Fashion Designing Batch. So my graduation project is Fast Forward. Fast Forward is a combination of past and forward, that is my inspiration, which is metaverse and retro, which I have combined together. Metaverse I have inspired and made prints out of it, and from the retro I have taken out silhouettes. So in this journey, I faced ups and downs. The main problem was fabric manipulation, for which my mentors helped me to overcome this problem, and my project was very successfully done. So I got my internship in Ruchita Design as a CAD designer. I got this internship through ITM IDM. My learnings were very good. I learned a lot about Photoshop and other tools to use in it. Also, I succeeded as a print and graphic designer through this. Thank you so much ITM IDM for this experience.